In this video, I want to talk about how you can install YouTube on a JVC smart TV. Now, there are some different ways that you can do this, so let me quickly go through them. So first of all is you want to head over to the App Store once you've opened up your TV. In there, depending on what kind of model that you have, you might use any of these. So let me quickly show you how you should do it from each one. If you're using Roku, what you need to do is press home, go to streaming channels, select search and type in YouTube. From in there you should be able to add it and then it should be installed. If you use Android or Google TV, just press the home button and go to Google Play Store and then search for YouTube, select the app and install. If you're using Vida or VEWD, not many people have this, but if you're using that, press the home button, go to the apps or the App Store, look for YouTube and then download it from in there. Now once you've downloaded, you just want to open it up, sign in to your Google account, which is your YouTube account, and after that you should be good to go. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.